Maverick technology essentially started off by being customer focused, being able to afford a level of support and service that some of the larger companies were unable to deliver. You know, there came a time when Maverick had to turn down some jobs because of the size of the job and the fact that it was nationwide. Also, it was getting to the point where some clients were outgrowing Maverick's reach. It made perfect sense for Maverick to be acquired by Clarksons, as Clarksons have that national footprint to be able to deliver on the promises that Maverick set out and promised to deliver.
Clarksons already is out there in the marketplace doing field services, infrastructure, data wiring, and now bringing Maverick's experience in that, it brings more in-house where we can now offer the point of sales, your payment, and expanding onto the operational technologies. You know, our BMS system is now got extra resources in behind it for coding, development and integration into other products.
I think what's different about Clarksons in our market is that we cover the entire country, not only from the field services with our team that can do anything on the field, but also backed up by that head office team that can give that high level of technical support, including development of custom solutions where it's required.
The vision and plan for the future with Maverick coming into Clarksons is to keep expanding on the good quality service we're doing, opening avenues for our customers' existing client base to now involve Clarksons for a seamless, you know, installation project or reactive maintenance. So it's one phone number and a wider team of people to help make your problems go away.
Whether you're a little store in a strip mall or if you're a huge supermarket or a corporate store, we want you to know that our partnership with Clarksons will elevate you to the next level.